Would you look at me getting a little bit of flat surface back? Well, you know, there's always shit going on around here. So, we finally got his latches in. Old CH545s, pretty common key. Hopefully, I can attach the rod to these. Let's go take a look. I'll get it all jizzed up out back. I got the last piece here. My buddy Jake gave me, well, he's bringing me a power brake kit for this thing. So his kit had 3/8 hose. So we got a barb for our power brakes. We got these seats just sitting in here. We got the toolbox out here on the mini skid. Wasn't really worried about cleaning up the back side or the outside of it. I was more worried about cleaning up the inside of it so my shit don't get filthy. Let's take a look, man. A little wet still. Better than it was. I'll let that get dried up there. And I have some mat somewhere, I think. Let's go take a look in the decrepit barn. Welcome to my decrepit barn. I need to get the rest of the shit out of here so I can finish tearing it down. Not that I'm tearing it down, God is, but you know. I got some of this shit here. Plan on cutting that, putting it in the bottom of the toolbox, you know. That's I don't even know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a wheel for the mower. Nice. Let's grab some of this and take it out with us. There goes the mower wheel. Brought it out here because, you know, it might be for the mower I have still. I don't know if these will need cut. Probably will. Yeah. Should only need about 3 of them to go across that, I'm guessing. Should work out pretty good, man. That way I won't have anything sitting on the bottom there. It's just stained, you know, from nobody take care of shit. It's the way shit is now. Nobody takes care of nothing. But I don't know what time it is here. Let's see. 6. I don't know if I'm gonna fuck with them latches or not. Let's take a look at the back of them. So, looks like they use, let's look at this side. It's already off. Looks like that's riveted on there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this, this rod off of here and just take a look at it with the new latches. Anyway, let's go look at what else we're working on. This truck. I'm trying to put a fuel tank in it, and the research I've done says, you know, the early Mustangs, either the 60s or even the 70s tanks such as this. I got this from Tanks. It's supposed to fit in between the frame rails back here. So I have an issue where I have these cross members here, and where I've seen other people put these tanks in here, it fits back here, but mine doesn't because it has cross members. So we're gonna have to cut them out. You know, at least, you know, cut the rivets and take them out. We'll probably just move them fore and aft or something. I'm not really sure. One of them has radius. The other one's just flat. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure why I got this problem and other people don't, unless it's just a long bed issue. Maybe short beds stop at this last cross member and they don't have anything else back here. I don't know. But we'll take some measurements. See if we can't stuff that thing in back here after we cut these rivets out. Clean this thing up a little bit. You like that wiring? It's pretty nice, huh? We're gonna fix that too, so we can have lights. Then we got the bed up here on sawhorses. And what a pain in the dick to get this off. Why? I took all the bolts out and it didn't want to come out. And it turns out some dickhead welded this motherfucker in here. So I had to cut the welds on both sides, only in the front. And the rest use these here. So since that's still there, I'm assuming that the cross member is in not good shape there. But we'll see. We're going to cross that bridge when we come to it. I don't know if we'll dick around with this thing on the sawhorses or wait till it's back on this truck, but we'll see. That's where I'm at with it. I was really hoping I could just slide this tank in here and, you know, Johnny be good, but it's not the way any of my shit goes. I think I'm going to just move this one forward to where it'd be right in front of wherever that tank's going to sit. And then I don't know what to do about this one in the back. Maybe I'll just move back to the very end. I mean, I can't do it at the very, very end because that's where my bed bolts to, but we could just weld it on there. So we'll see. I'm covered in rust and metal shavings now, which is kind of nice. But that's what we got going on, man. Everything. Hopefully not this weekend because I got a term papered right, and I have a midterm on Tuesday I need to get ready for. So I would like to work on this thing this weekend. I'm not sure how it's going to happen. It was nice I got done with work early today, and I could dick with this for a while. But that's where we're at, man. All right, we'll see you. One more thing, in case you were curious how I got this off of here. I used ratchet straps, one on each corner, and then I just strapped them to the grapple on the tractor, and then you know, just lifted it off, move it back, put it on some sawhorses. So we'll see. I gotta get a lot of this shit done before Jake comes down here, because I'm only gonna have him for like a day and a half, 2 days. So I'd like to get the brake kit, the engine in, and I mean, as much as possible done. So we'll see. All right, see you for real this time.